Most clients that usually come to me for hair makeup, they get photos and reference photos from hair and makeup they would like. When I'm really lucky, they show me a reference of my work. Sometimes they go on Pinterest and Instagram or YouTube and they take a screenshot of that photo they saw and they show it to you. Most of the time, these hair and makeup looks are overly edited. So that's something I need to say you need to watch out for, which is quite hard. Your makeup artist will 100% be able to tell you if that work is edited, where a normal person sometimes, if they don't know anything about hair and makeup, they think that is how you should look after your hair and makeup is done. But it's impossible to make your pores disappear and your wrinkles disappear after you had makeup done. So that's why I have to say it's really important to have a good look at the portfolio. When you're a bride-to-be, you also need to look for the work and type of makeup you would like to have done on you. Some makeup artists make up more heavy-handedly, some make up more naturally, and that depends on the client. Do you want the more natural makeup or do you want the more heavy dramatic makeup? That's completely up to you. When it comes to references, it is the most important to have a reference of that hair and makeup artist, because your friend won't send you to someone that did a bad job on them. They will always tell you to go to this person. She's amazing. She made me look so beautiful. And that's why references are actually more important than a portfolio and looking at that hair and makeup artist's work. Rather go on reference. Or go and meet the makeup artist. And if you go for the trial and you paid for the trial, after the trial you could see how amazing the hair and makeup artist is and if you would like to go with them or not. Sometimes when it comes to the work of a part-time makeup artist and a full-time makeup artist, these days there's not really much of a difference. So we'll come to pricing. Tiny things. A part-time makeup artist will charge you that little bit less because it's not their main point of income, where the professional will charge you that little bit more because that is what they do. It's their profession and their main way of getting in an income. When it comes to whether you're a professional or just part-time, it will depend on the person. Some will be more confident in just doing makeup, others will be more confident in just doing hair. So it depends on the hair and makeup artist. Sometimes they do both. I started with just doing makeup and then gradually I started doing hair as well to make it easier for the client. That's the main focus, to make it as simple and as easy for the client so that you don't have to book a separate makeup artist and a separate hairstylist, that you can book both in one. When it comes to the pros of having your hair and makeup done on site instead of a salon is having the makeup artist there with you. So if you do say start crying your eyes out or you have red lipstick all over your face because you accidentally wiped your hand, the makeup artist is right there with you. So she can help you with everything, maybe clean your face if there's something wrong, powder a bit more if there's something wrong, because she's on site with you. Where if you go to a salon, having your hair and makeup done there and then walking away, if there is anything wrong with your hair and makeup, you need to fix it yourself because you don't have the professional with you anymore. It is so important to have a backup plan when it comes to wedding hair and makeup and your makeup and hair artist getting sick on the day. It's hard because it's something that it's out of their hands. They can't help they got sick. But it's also out of your hands and your wedding is taking place on that day. So it's really important to find out who the person will be, the hair and makeup artist will send to you if something should happen to them or they should get sick on that day. It's so important for your hair and makeup artist to know what skin you have and what hair type you have. Comes back to me that's not that confident in ethnic hair. It's going to be much harder for me on the day to do a hairstyle on ethnic hair than it would on Caucasian hair just because I'm not used to it. and will take much longer for that hair and makeup artist to do a hair and makeup look on you if they are not confident in what they are doing on you, because they're not comfortable on working on your skin and hair. When it comes to paying and the bridal party, I have to say 80% to 90% of my clients, it's the bride that usually pays for the hair and makeup of the bridal party. Sometimes the mother of the bride or the mother of the groom will pay for it. And I have to say in 10% of the cases, the bridal party pays for their own hair and makeup.